lost in road accidents, to support the survivors mentally and health-wise, and also to act at individual and at society level to ensure that we reverse the trend. Globally, we are talking about 1.3 million lives lost annually. As per the statistics that is with NTSA service. This is a very worrying trend, and we are bringing all stakeholders, the national government and also the individual drivers and the citizens, to ensure that we impact and we take action. A day like today, we are passing the message to all citizens to ensure that we are going to be responsible. We have the various category of road users, individual drivers, we have the riders, we have the motorcycle. Through the national government, we will be able to cascade the same message and executing through the best practices globally in terms of ensuring that we are there to the road safety message. As we go to the festivities, we are encouraging our drivers, our citizens to ensure that we take responsible driving, and we are going to be safe as we come to the end of the festivities in December. And we are sensitizing through the element of education, and we also look at the aspect of enforcement and the aspect of engineering to ensure that we have an all-encompassing strategic intervention to ensure that we are all safe and sound. It's taken in terms of ensuring that they cascade the message to all the road users and to our citizens, and we appreciate as a government agency the role that we take in terms of coming and filling the gap to ensure that we all pass the message of road safety so that we ensure that we are all safe.
We are here on this day to ensure that we are all safe on our roads by offering proper training, ensuring that our roads are okay. When we are receiving our students, we give them a proper training. We are ensuring that we participate to sensitize the public on road safety. We are participating today as stakeholders, the major stakeholder, that our driving schools participate a key role in this road safety.
Leo ni siku ya muhimu sana kwa maana tumepoteza wapendwa wetu wengi kwa ajali kwa barabara. Wengi wetu wanapuuza road signs. Unapata signs imewekwa 50 km/h. Unapata mtu anaenda speed ambao ni kubwa. Mbele unapata kuna pumps anaruka juu, unapata ameumiza watu bila kujua. Na hii msimu ambao tunaenda kuelekea saa hii ya Desemba, tuko na sherehe mingi ambao zinaendelea. Naomba wazazi, kwa maana likizo imekuwa refu around 2 months now, watoto wetu ambao wako nje, wale ambao wadogo sana wameacha wanaendesha bodaboda huko nje, inawaomba sana chairman wa bodaboda stage wasiruhusu watoto kuingia kwa stage kuendesha bodaboda, na watu ambao wengine ambao wataenda kutumia pombe kujiburudisha kidogo, tunawaomba sana usikunywe pombe na uendeshe gari.
All the motorcycle riders and even individuals taking up this role so that they understand fasting. As we saw in the enactment there, it is important that all of us understand fasting, and we offer this. Apart from that, we also offer psychosocial support. We urge all our cooperatives, our communities, and our people we are involved with the motor world to try their best to have the best training so far. All our riders and all those residents of this county, please try to observe road safety, because safety starts with